Are you struggling with chronic bronchitis? If so, you're not alone. Many people are exploring natural ways to address their respiratory issues. The Banishing Bronchitis program by Blue Heron Health News has attracted attention lately. But the big question remains: is it legit or just hype? Banishing Bronchitis markets itself as a digital guide to managing chronic bronchitis through natural means. It's designed to help users understand the root causes of their respiratory issues and find relief without relying on medications. This program is not a supplement or medication. It provides a simple educational approach. Customer feedback on Banishing Bronchitis has been mixed. Some users report profound changes, while others express disappointment over variable results. Key complaints include delivery misunderstandings, expectations for quick relief, and refund processes. However, the pros are compelling. Users appreciate its educational clarity and low one-time cost. The program costs $49 for lifetime access and continuous updates. Importantly, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, showcasing the publisher's confidence in the product. The program teaches several practical techniques. Users learn about breathing retraining, postural awareness, lifestyle adjustments, nutrition awareness, and stress management. These strategies aim to empower users and help them control their respiratory health. Yet, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider before starting this program, especially for those with pre-existing conditions. Banishing Bronchitis is not intended to replace professional medical advice. Individual results will vary based on personal dedication and circumstances. In conclusion, Banishing Bronchitis offers a credible educational resource. It might not be a miracle cure, but it provides you with knowledge and practical tools to improve lung health naturally. Interested in learning more? Check this program out on the official Blue Heron Health News website by link in the description below. Your path to better breathing might just begin with this digital guide.